Hi everybody, I have got quite an exciting announcement to share with you, something that I think you're going to be really interested in if you are really interested in dialing up your wellness to the next level. Alright, so here I am standing in my kitchen on a regular day. I'm going to move to one side and you can see Catherine wave! She said don't put me on camera because she says that she doesn't look, she goes, I look horrendous right now, but she doesn't. She looks gorgeous, she's in a tank, she's working away at my kitchen table. And here's the heads up that I want to give you. So, as you know, my lovely community that is watching right now, I give you so much wellness information. Week in, week out. In fact, it goes back years. For some of you have seen some of my really early videos from what, like 8-9 years ago, where I'm sporting a haircut that is a little concerning, to say the least of things, but things have moved on from then. But my point is that I give you all this information, and one week you're watching a video about probiotics and gut health, and the next week about dry skin brushing, or arsenic and rice, or some, beauty DIY, and I love all this stuff. But one thing I realized is that I need to find a way of putting it all together for you in one beautiful workshop tied up with a bow. Because I realized through all the questions and comments that I get from you, both on YouTube right here and on Facebook, that you're asking me these things, but a lot of the time it's, Sophie, I get all this information and I love it, but how do I get started? Yes, I want more energy. Yes, I want to lose unwanted pounds. Yes, I want to feel better in my skin, but I just really want to know where and how to start and have it sort of all put together for me. So that's exactly what I have created for you. I'm so excited. I wanted to do this for years, and finally this is the year 2018, and I've created an online workshop. It's free, also known as a webinar. Really exciting. It's just 60 minutes long, so you get to sit down with a lovely cup of chai or green tea or coffee if that's your thing, and you get to have me guide you as your personal wellness coach through 60 minutes of basically Wellness 101. How were I sitting with you at a personal coaching session, what I would say to you, how I would get you started, and basically how on my watch I give you wellness goals that are achievable and that you are going to see through no matter what. So, are you in? I really hope you are. And if you want to join this this online live workshop, just click the link in the description to the video and then you can get your seat. And don't delay, because we have a finite number of people that can actually join me for this live workshop, and I don't want you to miss out. So as I said before, it's completely free. It is my gift to you. I hope you can join, and don't delay in just clicking that link and saving your seat. And as usual, do feel free to ask me any questions or leave me on any comments, and also do make sure that you are subscribed to my channel, because a lot of you are saying, oh, I didn't get this video or that one, because I put out 2 brand new videos a week, and I just want to make sure that you're not missing out. So make sure that you subscribe, that you click that little bell icon on my home page, because that way you'll be sure to get your notifications. All right, I will see you next time. Bye. Hi, thank you for watching this video. If you liked it, there are hundreds more. And please also visit my blog at sophieuliano.com for detailed reviews, recipes, DIYs, and more.